Hello friends, today's video is about chicken pulao. This pulao, where chicken and rice are cooked together, is a very tasty dish. This video will show you how to easily prepare chicken pulao at home. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. To prepare chicken pulao, first a small mixer jar has been taken here. Put a handful of finely chopped coriander leaves into it. Add 2 green chilies. You can increase the number of green chilies if you want more spice. Now add half a teaspoon of mint powder. If you don't have mint powder, a handful of mint leaves will suffice. Now add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is large cumin. Now use the mixer to make a smooth paste and set it aside. Now, a pan has been taken to prepare the chicken pulao. Add 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. Also add 1.5 tablespoons of sunflower oil. We are making pulao for 3 cups of rice here. About half a kilogram of chicken has also been taken. When the oil is hot, add a small piece of cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 2 cardamoms, and a star anise. Now add 1 large sliced onion. Mix it and saute it. When the onion changes color slightly, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 large tomato finely chopped. Also add the paste we made in the mixer. Now mix it well. Roast these ingredients well. Now add 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and the required salt for the pulao. Mix it well and roast it again. Now add 1 cup of curd. Mix it well and roast it again. Now add the washed and cleaned chicken pieces. About half a kilogram of chicken is used here. Mix it well. Mix it so that the masala is well coated on the chicken. Now add water. 3 cups of rice are used, so 6 cups of water is poured into it. After pouring the water, mix it well. It has now come to a boil. At this time, add the washed and cleaned rice. White cellar basmati rice is used here. The rice has been soaked in water for half an hour, washed and then used. Now mix it lightly. Be careful to mix the chicken and rice evenly. Now it is boiling well. Cover it at this time. After about a minute, open it again. Now mix it well. You should mix it slowly. Also check the salt and add more if needed. The rice is now cooked about 1/4 way. Now cover it and dum it. After covering it with a lid, you can place a stone or any other weight on top. At this time, the stove should be on a slow flame for the dum. If you're using a thin bottom pan, you can use a griddle underneath for dum. After giving a slow flame for about 8 minutes, turn off the stove. After another 10 minutes, open it. Now the chicken and rice are well cooked. Now mix it slowly. Be careful not to mash the rice and chicken while mixing. So make sure to take the rice from the bottom and gently place it on top. Now this very tasty dish, chicken pulao, is ready here. Since the chicken, rice and masalas are all cooked together, this dish has a great taste that everyone will love. Chicken pulao is a delicious item that we can all easily prepare at home. I hope you all like this video. If you did, remember to like, comment and share. If you're watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos, so try to watch them. So our new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.